We have reached the top. Absolutely knackered. Absolutely stunning.
Let's kick it. Ice, baby. Ice, baby.
Welcome to episode 13, where we'll be traveling from Guanajuato towards Mexico City via Nevado de Toluca. As I left Guanajuato, I headed towards San Miguel de Allende, which is an absolutely beautiful town. Before heading south towards Mexico City, I found myself at a beautiful lakeside camp spot. Good morning! Currently in a place called Campo Hermoso, which it is. It's very beautiful. It's a beautiful lake with people bring their horses down to water down here, or loads of horses. I'm heading up to Nevado de Toluca. Nevado de Toluca. This isn't the first or the last time I get this wrong. So it's a stratovolcano up at 4,500 meters. This was the first step towards it. I'm climbing up to 2,500 meters today. Along the way there is some mariposas, there is some butterflies, and then the day after that I will be camping up at 3,500 meters. The speckled cat attacked tent, so we'll see how that goes. Look at this view behind me. The mountain that I've just come down, so it's swirling and curving. Because I'm running a bit late today, the lighting for this section is amazing. Absolutely beautiful, and in the day the light would be so harsh that it would just wash out all of these plants and it would just look like one color. But with the sun, the golden hour, it gives like a beautiful texture to the mountain. It's been awesome. I'm stopping at every turn. We are in a place called Valle de Bravo. It used to be a very buzzing city. We arrived in really late last night. Did about 10 hours riding. Really put myself in a corner because there was nowhere I could camp, so I was riding for maybe 3 hours in the dark just to get here. Today we're climbing up to the base camp of the volcano, so there is another 2,500 meters of climbing. Lots of fun. It's only 60 kilometers. I missed the butterflies yesterday. Halfway up is another butterfly reserve. I might go up and do the hike. We'll see what happens. Not sure if you can see, but they are flying all around me. Absolutely beautiful. This climb is tough. Almost at the top now. It's been like 2.5 to 3 hours of pure climbing. It's rough, but the butterflies all around, making it worthwhile. So I decided at the top of the climb that I would do the butterfly hike. I stored my bike at the ticket office and joined a tour group to the top. The hike was only 2 kilometers long but took us 600 meters higher, and this is where the monarch butterflies that have migrated all the way from Canada are spending the winter. Still, no one knows how they find the same wintering sites in central Mexico every year when the butterflies travel from all over North America. I cannot describe how magical it was to be up there among them. I honestly didn't think I would enjoy it as much as I did. Trees which looked covered in leaves were actually covered in butterflies, and the air was thick with them everywhere. Truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. There she is. Ooh, there. That's what we're climbing. That's high, boy. Yeah, that's the first view of Nevado de Toluca. Come on, do it again. I gotta climb up there. Let's go! You probably can't see me very well. The sun is setting. I'm on a dirt road. I mean, it can't even be called a road at times. In the middle of nowhere, 3,500 meters almost. Middle of Mexico, climbing a volcano. Sometimes you've just got to stop and realize the craziness of this riding. So the sun hasn't risen yet. It's still cold. It's still gonna be cold when the bug is up. But there's an onslaught of cars. It's gonna be busy out there. But this is the culmination of 3 or 4 days worth of hard riding on an off-road track. It's pretty dusty. Final 10k now. Excited to get up there. It's hard trying to convey climbing without it being boring. Just spinning those legs, long stretches of just looking up. It's really tough riding. The amount of dust from all of the cars is just horrible. The air is starting to thin out as well, so it's making breathing. Sorry, excuse me. I'll keep this up. This was the road that I came on. We've hiked up. Absolutely knackered. The legs are already kicked from the ride up, but now they're completely mashed. So we have reached the top. Absolutely stunning. We climbed that thing, absolutely stunning, but that was amazing. What a day. What a day. Now to descend. Thank you for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe. Join me next time where I cycle from Mexico City to Oaxaca. You'll see me riding with a police escort and talking at a school in Huayapan before swiftly learning why the Oaxacan mountains are so brutal.